Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study physics textbooks. First, always preview chapters to get a general idea of the topics covered before you dive into the details. This initial scan helps you build a mental framework. Next, focus on truly understanding the underlying concepts rather than just memorizing formulas. Active engagement with examples and practice problems is crucial for solidifying your comprehension from the start. When reading, don't be afraid to go over sections multiple times. Repetition aids deeper comprehension. After each section, take a moment to summarize the key ideas in your own words. This active recall helps you process and retain information more effectively. Additionally, try creating concept maps to visually connect different topics and see how they relate to the broader subject. This method can reveal patterns and strengthen your overall understanding. Problem solving is the cornerstone of physics. Always work through all example problems provided in the textbook, making sure you understand each step. Then, challenge yourself by attempting the end-of-chapter problems without immediately peeking at the solutions. This builds your critical thinking skills. When you get an answer wrong, don't just correct it. Review your process to identify any conceptual gaps or calculation errors. This feedback loop is vital for improvement. To ensure long-term retention, regularly review previous chapters. Spaced repetition is incredibly effective for solidifying knowledge over time. A fantastic way to test your understanding is to try teaching the concepts to someone else. If you can explain it clearly, you truly grasp it. And remember, staying hydrated is key for optimal focus during your study sessions. Check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other helpful deals to support your learning journey. Consistent effort will lead to success.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.